Alright, in my video today, I will talk about fundamentals of OpenBOM and how OpenBOM is managing product structure and item information. OpenBOM is an online platform which allows you to manage product structure and all related information. The fundamentals of OpenBOM is the item database. So a database of items can be organized as a set of catalogs, and bill of materials, which actually represents the structure of specific product. So you can see on this picture, a skateboard is a product contains of particular items. So we have a database of all these items, and then these items are instantiated in the bill of materials that also can be organized as a hierarchical structure of assemblies, sub-assemblies, and parts. So now let's take a look how it looks in OpenBOM. So in OpenBOM dashboard, we can start from the search, where we can search for any parts and assemblies. So I'm searching for wireless router. And so far, this is my wireless router, and this is all information about this item. So it can be description, it can be manufacturer, it can be cost, anything. It's absolutely customizable. So the information is managed in the catalog. So the catalog provides you all information about items. It's fully flexible. You can add any information. You can insert additional properties. So it's completely customizable. So for each item, we can navigate to the bill of materials. So bill of materials represent a structure of the product. So here you can see a multi-level bill of materials for wireless router. You can drill down. You can see all information. You can see all items, quantities. You can do calculations of cost and anything else. So this is how OpenBOM allows you to manage information about product, items, product structure, and related information. So you can see, for example, a 3D view of a particular item. You can see additional descriptions and doing calculations and doing anything like this. So in addition to that, I encourage you to take a look on the OpenBOM training library online, where you can learn more about OpenBOM. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.